Hi there, students. Omerta. Omerta. This is a noun. I think both countable and uncountable. Let's see. An omerta is a conspiracy of silence. Okay, the base meaning of this is a code of silence about criminal activities, particularly within the mafia, the Italian mafia. Yeah, refusing to give evidence or information to the police. Yeah, so if you join the mafia, then you need to be loyal to the oath of Omerta. Yeah, but then we use this more generally to talk about a code of silence, something that people don't talk about. Yeah, something that people say they're not going to talk about it. So, for example, the Masons have a code of omerta. Yeah, it's something they don't talk about. They don't tell you, I'm a Mason. Yeah, it's like a private hidden thing that there is a code of silence. But we use this word omerta particularly for criminal organizations. Yeah, if you are a member of a criminal organization, there is a rule that you can't divulge any secrets to the police, and very often people outside the organization also follow this omerta because they're afraid of that they'll get beaten up. They're afraid of retaliation against them. Yeah, I don't know. There had been a crime on the council estate, and the police came down to investigate, and they started asking the young men and young girls if they'd seen anything. But the code of omerta was clearly in force. Yeah, you don't sneak. But this also, I think also though, this happens at school. Yeah, there is omerta at school. You don't sneak to the teacher. You don't tell the teacher what someone else has done. You can complain to your mates, but don't tell the teacher. Don't tell the teaching staff. And this is the idea of omerta. Yeah, it's any code of silence which people don't talk about. Okay, I think in society generally, it's one of the problems that the police have is there is a code of omerta among society. Don't talk to the police because it'll only get you into trouble. Yeah, and this is the idea of omerta. Yeah, a rule or a code that says you can't speak about certain activities, especially for a criminal organization. Okay, formality. If you use this word in an informal conversation, people are going to say, what does that mean? Or go and look it up on their phones. I think I would give this word a 7.5 in formality, maybe even 8. Only use it in a semi-formal and formal writing. I think particularly a code of omerta, yeah, a code of silence, yeah, a wall of omerta, a wall of silence. And then as to origin, well, there's an Italian word, omerta, yeah, and some people say that it comes from a Sicilian word, Omerta, meaning the quality of being humble, quiet, or soft. Yeah. However, I've also read other theories that it actually comes from the Spanish word hombreda, meaning manliness. Okay, after the Sicilian word homo, meaning man. And maybe the origin comes from Latin itself, humilitas, humility. Okay, so yeah, and omerta, not talking about things, because this is the code. yeah, not contacting the authorities, yeah, not being witness to a crime, even if you're the victim. Yeah, so it's like a code of silence. I really like this word. It's a good and interesting word. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. There's no Omerta in this channel. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Omerta.